Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update on this system we were building. Okay, so basically I was working on the inventory system and I created another chart instead of the pivot table, which you need to update and filter manually every time you are updating the inventory. So and then I compared my result with your result. So I found some discrepancy in the average prices mainly, and the discrepancy is ranging from minus zero point 0.9. I think it's up to 10 USD to 1 USD minimum negative. And I would like to show you few of those. So this is your pivot table. I have filtered this out, removing any zeros, and these are my results. And this is the difference. So I just then filtered out through my result differences. Okay, so if I'll take this SN, this is showing that the quantities are these, where the average price is 27.01. On my system, the average price is 29.1, which is more than your average price, which is 2.1 USD more than the price you are already using. Let me take the maximum one. So here is a 10 USD. So let's take this take this as in. I'm doing this for the first time as well. So 69.9 and 80. So I'll go back to your system, your file, and let me filter out that SN particularly, and not a very difficult thing to figure out. So there are only two entries. And if we'll take the average of these, this will become almost 80, right? So the average of these two prices on the right bottom, if you can see 79.9. So basically this is 80 USD average price for these. And if I'll go to your pivot table, it's showing the average price of 69.9, which is wrong. And my system is showing 80.0, which is 99.9% correct. Basically, it's rounding to zero. So this is the discrepancy I saw in the average prices. I just wanted to highlight that these are a few 19 SNs which are showing some discrepancy in the average prices you were using earlier. So I will clear this. Basically, I just wanted to show you. I can make this chart again when you need. Okay, so here is the new table, new chart. I have changed a little name a little. So this is pivot manage FBA inventory. Okay, so this is the new chart with the green color, and we'll be using these chart. I'll highlight those because we are not using those. So then I have added another condition, just like a dashboard. If you like this, I will add this in the main dashboard, or we can always use it as a different. Let's see if this is of any use of yours. So the chart is basically showing what is it actually you're doing here is that you manually filter it like all the zeros from the sum of the fulfillable, or from the receiving, from the researchings, maybe for the average prices, and I have added the quantity as well. So I have added two drop downs. This will allow you to filter it by any of the field you will select in here. So if you will select any of the field, it will filter the data, all the essence, by that field in which there is no zero in it. So if I'll do this, which you manually do every week, and then if you want to, you can see now these are the color schemes for the bars. So the units in transfer are blue, which you can always get in a glance. You'll get an idea. Okay, this is the arrangement of the units in transfer. But obviously, if you want to see that which SN has the highest unit in transfer, so you can always sort by unit in transfer, and you will see the blue bars. So the maximum blue bar value is for this SN, particular SN. The second highest is this SN, third highest and fourth highest, and this is being sorted by the unit in transfer. So this drop down can be used to filter out all the values which are non-zeros, and this drop down can be used to sort by. So like this yellow color, the yellow color is basically total quantity. If you want to see the data, available data, let's keep it sort by non-zeros of fulfillable. and sort by FNF total quantity. So the yellow bars. So the data will get sorted by yellow bars. So the total quantity is being sorted descending. So now you can see the maximum on the left side and the minimum on the right side. Similarly, if you want to sort the data by the average prices, so which SN has the maximum average price? So you can always sort it by like this. So this SN has the maximum average price and this one is the minimum. If you want to sort it by the receiving quantities, you can always use this drop down and this will sort it by uh, the red color, sorry, the orange color. And if you want to sum it by, sorry, filter it by, sort it by, sorry, AFN fulfillable, you can always select the, sorry, yep, the first one. And now you can see it's sorted by green bars. So now you can see this SN has the maximum fulfillable quantity and you can get an idea. I think this is the best thing to see. But obviously, if you want to see the units in transfer arranged maximum to minimum, you can always check that as well. This is a drop down used with this is a dashboard we used with these two settings. Again, this is only where you always set the filter 0 manually whenever you are doing the data, entering the data FBA management inventory. Now you don't need to do that. This is an additional dashboard. Let me give you a summary. So there was an issue in your pivot table that you have to go manually and update the filter by 0 every time you are updating the inventory. I have changed that pivot table to this sheet, and on the left side, those are the chart which you will uh, using as an alternate of that pivot table, and you don't need to update that. You just need to update the inventory, and the data will get updated directly on all the summaries. And I have made the formula array as well. So if you will add any further SNs in it, it will update the summary. It will update the quantities as well. So yeah, so this will be all these will get updated as well. There is an health tab. I'm not sure about it. I'll have to check if that is also using a pivot table or something. So I will update that to uh, dynamic dash data table instead of the pivot table. So this is it. Yep, that is it. And again, the thing is ready, almost ready. I would like to give you, if you can spend some time on it and find out, because you are the expert of this sheet and you know where to check. Just like the thing you pointed out rightly. Yep, there was some manual. Obviously, there could be some typos from my side, and there could be something left or right. I can fix that, no problem. So please look into it, spend some time on it, and if you find any difficulty or any mistakes I have done, let's remove those and let's try using this system as soon as possible. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.